In this video, we will explain the fields you need to fill in when adding a tag to a frame. Every tag in the system has the same set of fields, and understanding each one is essential before we move on to defining the 4 sensor tags required by Proveris OEE. The name field is simply the identifier for the tag within the system. It is used to distinguish one tag from another in the tag list and does not affect how data is processed. The Modbus Address field defines which register address on the field device this tag reads from. This must match the address of the sensor or input on the physical device as specified in its documentation. The log status field defines when the system records the tag value. If set to changed, the system only logs the value when it transitions. For example, when the sensor signal goes from 0 to 1. If the value stays the same, nothing is logged. If set to periodic, the system logs the value at fixed time intervals regardless of whether it is changed. The log time field works together with log status. When log status is set to periodic, log time defines the reading interval in milliseconds. For example, a value of 10 means the system reads and logs the tag value every 10 milliseconds. When log status is set to changed, log time defines the minimum change threshold. The value must change by at least this amount before it is logged. For example, if log time is set to 10 and the current value is 10, the system will not log a new entry when the value rises to 19 because the change is only 9. But when the value reaches 20, the change is exactly 10 and the system logs it. The description field is the most critical field in the tag definition. It is the value the system uses to understand what this tag represents and which machine it belongs to. The description must follow a specific format depending on the sensor type, and we will cover the exact value to enter for each sensor in the following videos. In the next video, we will begin defining the 4 required sensor tags, starting with the product count sensor.